how to put ask me a question on Instagram story. So if you want to put that question, all you have to do is open up your Instagram, and then on the upper left corner you will have an option which says your story. You can either tap on that, or you can tap on the plus icon which is on the bottom of your screen, and after tapping that, tap on camera, and here it will take you to the story option, right? So what you have to do is just choose a story. You can either upload it from your gallery, or you can simply take a photo right now. And then what you have to do is on the upper right corner you will have stickers icon. Tap on that, and then here you will find a question option. Tap on question, and here it is saying that ask me a question. So that's it, guys. That's how you put ask me a question on Instagram story. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.